So, in this video, we'll talk about household phrasal verbs. Let's go right into it. Throw away. Throw away the old newspapers. Warm up. Warm up the leftovers. Stock up on. We stocked up on toilet paper. Fill up. Fill up the kettle with water. Turn on. Turn on the washing machine. Turn off. Don't forget to turn off the lights. Switch on. Switch on the fan. Switch off. Switch off the TV before bed. Pick up. Pick up your toys from the floor. Put away. Put away your shoes. Take out. Take out the trash tonight. Bring in. Bring in the groceries. Hang up. Hang up your jacket. Fold up. Fold up the towels. Put on. Put on your sweater. Wake up. I wake up at 6:30 every morning. Take off. Take off your shoes at the door. Wash up. I'm washing up after dinner. Clean up. We cleaned up the kitchen. Tidy up. Tidy up your bed. Clear away. Clear away the plates after dinner. Clear out. We cleared out the attic. Empty out. Empty out the refrigerator. Wash off. Wash off the vegetables. Dry off. Dry off the dishes with a towel. Heat up. Heat up yesterday's soup. Get up. She gets up early on weekdays. Put back. Put back the milk in the fridge. Look after. Can you look after the kids? Look for. I'm looking for my keys. Run out of. We have run out of milk. Take in. Take in the laundry before it rains. Set up. Set up the dining table. Put up. Put up the family photos. Take down. Take down the Christmas decorations. Move away. We moved the sofa away. Sit down. Sit down and relax. Stand up. Please stand up. Lie down. Lie down if you are tired. Come in. Come in and make yourself comfortable. Go out. We are going out for dinner. Lock up. Lock up before leaving. Let in. Let in the dog. Let the dog in. Let out. Let the cat out. Check on. Check on the baby. Pick out. Pick out a clean towel. Sort out. Sort out the laundry. Put together. Put together the new bookshelf. Break down. The dishwasher broke down yesterday. Fix up. We fixed up the guest room. Thank you. That's it for this video. Please follow and subscribe for more videos like this, and please share with friends. Thank you.